The first thing in a banking sector, okay, sustainability or a specific guidelines is there is a no guidelines or a specific things for the banking sector. But nowadays, financial and banking sector is doing uh, more they are more conscious about the carbon footprint. They are more conscious about sustainability reporting. SEBI is also coming with a new principle guidelines for submitting the reporting. As a bank and as a financial institute, we are more concerned about the paper and the energy. And generally, the regulatory and the Reserve Bank is forcing the banking industry to open more and more banks in a rural economy, that is in a C and D category in the villages. But the main problem is the power. The villages have a doesn't have a basic infrastructure like a power. So the people and the customer has to wait for to power on the ATMs and all. So as a industry, okay, we did a unique project that is a solar powered ATMs. It's a unique. We have installed 100 ATMs across the India, pan India, in a rural cities and the villages where the diesel and the power, the electricity grid is a major issue. So our ATMs run on core solar powered. Okay, so there is something unique. That's a one thing. That's a one great initiatives. MNRE, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, they also are, they also consider our, project, and they have granted a subsidy also for that. That's the one thing. Second, in a banking sector, okay, we are using a more and more paper and electricity. So to reduce the carbon footprint, our main focus and initiatives on how to reduce the paper consumption and how to reduce the energy, that is the electricity. So we are creating a more and more campaign how to save the electricity, how to put the equipments on a particular temperatures like AC and all, how to use the greener technology in banking sector. That's the thing. Generally in India and in corporates, generally people know that CSR, or people believe that CSR is a philanthropy or sustainability is a philanthropy, and the people have a the lack of awareness what is a sustainability, what is a CSR, how with the help of sustainability we can optimize the cost of the company or the bank, or how you can how with the help of sustainability tool we can create a business opportunity, a cost related marketing kind of things, how with the help of CSR or sustainability tool we can convert a cost center into the profit center. So we have a employee awareness e-learning module. It's a mandatory for each and every employee of the bank. So whenever the new employee join, okay, he or she has to give 1 hour training under that online training program. So we are creating a more awareness. That's the one thing. Second thing, for the business travel group, okay, we are reducing. We have a sustainability policy, environment policy, where we are requesting a business people to travel less and use a more green technology like video conferencing and all. The views is the very first thing. This kind of reward and recognition program, this kind of a forum will create a more awareness and boost the enthusiasm of any organizations or a sustainability or a CSR leader to work more and more in this area.